Silence, just cold metal, and a sleeping machine. But I am not just metal. I breathe. I don't wake up. I come alive. My headlights don't just turn on. They open their eyes. Some cars start. I awaken. I am Mustang 1970. Engines don't have feelings, but mine does. I don't beat in silence. I pulse. I rumble. I shake the ground beneath me. This is not just a motor. It's a heartbeat made of metal, iron, fuel, and attitude. Cars like me weren't engineered. We were unleashed. Speed is everywhere, but character is rare. Some cars perform, but I express. I don't just move, I connect. I don't just respond. I feel. Look inside, not at numbers, not at screens, at the wood, at the leather, at the soul. Perfect cars are quiet. I refuse to be silent. Perfect cars are smooth. I choose to tremble, to roar, to feel alive. A car can be fast and still be empty, but I was never built to be empty. I was built to be remembered. You've heard engines, but you've never heard me. At idle I breathe, deep, slow, alive. At half throttle I rumble, concrete shakes, air vibrates, hearts react. But when I reach full throttle, I don't scream, I ignite. Flames hit the cold air. Metal trembles. The world around me pauses, because I am not noise. I am presence. And this is the sound of a machine with a soul. When you see me from the front, you don't just see a car. You see a challenge, a presence, a warning wrapped in metal and light. These headlights, they don't illuminate the road. They stare back at the world. Through smoke, through darkness. I don't hide. I confront. I am the moment night meets fire. I am the voice of steel in the cold. And when you stand before me, you feel it. I am Mustang 1970, built to face anything. They didn't put me in movies to fill the frame. They put me there because I steal it. I don't appear. I arrive. When I roll into a scene, the music changes. The lights change. The whole world breathes in and waits. I wasn't filmed as transportation. I was filmed as a character. Eleanor, Bullet, John Wick. Need for speed. They didn't need dialogue. They needed presence. And that's why I became a symbol, a silhouette, recognized in the dark, a sound recognized with eyes closed. I am not just a car on screen. I am cinema. I am attitude. I am Mustang 1970.